I'm going to make an earthquake.
Tomorrow for sure.
Rankin Bass, how was it yesterday?
I don't know.
Let's watch the news.
Okay, today's news was the earthquake that hit Los Angeles High School. We are going to view it Paramount. Donkey Kong, Gaia, Comment, Lotus, and Aloe.
Well, it all started when Rankin Bass wasn't here today and all of a sudden an earthquake hit. It scared so bad. Wait. It was Rankin Bass. You are tricked, Rankin Bass.
Well, it all started with a normal day teaching science and language arts. All of a sudden, an earthquake hit and interrupted our class. Wait, it was Rankin Bass. You must be tripped by your rarity and abstract WD because you're tripped now.
I've been playing the Donkey Kong game on the Nintendo Entertainment System. Rankin Bass was had done something as bad. So he's getting, he's tripped for now.
Hey, you're too quiet.
I said Rankin Bass was done something as bad. So he's getting, he's tripped.
Well, I'm going to believe Rankin Bass evenly.
So here's someone whose baby boys ran. That's all. Okay, bye.
Rankin Bass, everyone says you got tricked.
So, how long am I fired?
15 seconds. I cannot believe you got tricked for the second time just like who's storage.
Hey, what are you doing?